Well, hello there. I'd like to show you something special today to celebrate President's Day. I'm gonna show you something our founding fathers would make. They would make cucumber soup. Let me show you now. I need to cook 2 tablespoons of onions in some oil. Peel and chop 4 cucumbers. Since I live in modern times, I'll be putting these cucumbers in a blender. Add that cucumber and 3 cups of chicken broth. Cover and let simmer for 10 minutes. I need to beat 2 egg yolks. Add a cup of light cream. Mix that together. Mix in a little bit of warm soup to that mixture and stir it in. Then add the creamy mix right to the soup. Add a little pepper and a little salt. You can serve it hot or cold. Decorate it with a little cucumber. Cucumber soup. Very presidential and a bit plain. Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitchen, and happy President's Day. Why is it so easy to make a cucumber giggle? Because it's kind of pickle-ish.